Alright guys, we're out here in Santa Monica today running some errands. We're doing a couple different videos. This next is going to be called Thumbnail Maker. Now we've made our video, we've edited our video, now we got to get it onto YouTube. But one of the biggest things about YouTube and ranking and getting people to actually click it is that thumbnail. It has to be enticing. So there's an app called Thumbnail Maker. I'm going to put it in the description below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and you'll be able to make a thumbnail that's going to get some attention. So it's coming up. Here we go. All right, guys, so we are in our phone now, and we are going to play around with Thumbnail Maker, and that's this one down here. Go ahead and open that up. When you open it up, you're going to have on top your Thumbnail Maker and Channel Art Maker. The Cover Maker and the Intro Maker is a separate app, and the Vlog Star is a separate app, but the top ones are the ones that you can use. Down below, you have featured templates. And these are like pre-made templates that you just kind of can update. You will have to upgrade, I believe, for that on some of these. Let's see. Let's try one. Let's see. Let's just... Oh, actually, you can just use these. Some of them will come with it. I'll take that back. So some of them come with it. So if you have this pop up, let's say you wanted to make this the cover for your next makeup tutorial, you just simply click the piece that you want to edit, and you will be able to do so. You go click edit text, and you can say find your beauty inside, let's say, and check that. Now, what's nice is that you can also change the style. So right now, the style is just basically that, but you can change it to that, to this, that, you name it. You make it the way you want it, and that's what's kind of great about this. I'm going to leave it like that. I like that. I don't mind that. That's looking pretty good. You can change the fonts here on the other the second one over, which is going to be your fonts. The first one's more for style. The second one's for fonts. The third is for the color, gradients, textures that you want to add. You can add a stroke, a blur to it. You also, let's see what that does. Oh, this is your drop shadow. So if you want to do kind of more of a drop shadow on it. Let's see what this is. I think this is... for the box. I think that's actually for the, if you want something to go around it. This is going to be your actual paragraph setting. So in other words, your alignment. So you can go right alignment, middle alignment, left alignment, bold. You can do spacing, the line height, it looks like. You can do spacing. If you want to space it, it's a little bit better like that. You can even curve it, which is nice. So there's a lot of different things you can do. This one I'm just going to leave like, let's get back to 0. That seems to work. And then over here, let's see. I think this is to 3D it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you can actually do 3D markups on it. You can do a horizon style 3D movement. Let's get these all back to 0, 0. Okay. And those are what you can do actually with that. You can add more things to it. Down below here, you have your actual layout. You have fonts if you wanted to add more text. I don't want to do that right now, but you can do the same thing that I just showed you by adding more text. You can add stickers to it as well. So they have a bunch of stickers over here we can add. So you want to add a little YouTube sticker, you can do that. Pop that over in the corner. And now you have a little sticker. You can do shapes. You can also do different stylings for the color. So if you want to change the color around, make it more vibrant or whatever, kind of like Instagram filters is the best way to kind of describe what this is doing. This, I believe, I'm not sure what. Yeah, it's just to draw something if you want to put arrows or something like that. You can always hit undo, guys, by hitting these arrows right underneath the top. That's a redo or undo. We're going to undo those back. You can play around with the contrast, exposure. So they have all those settings in here as well. So you can play with how you want it to actually look. It really makes it very customizable, guys. And that will allow you, and God, look how much stuff you can do. You can really make this exactly what you want it to be. Just keep playing around with it. Get the settings that you want for whatever you wanted to create. So this is the basics of it. If you were loading in a template. Now, if you're going to start from scratch, say, right? Let's go back to the very beginning. If you hit Thumbnail Maker, you have a bunch of preset kind of styles. So it makes it easier to kind of set up something if you want to do like a versus kind of thing, you know. So let's say we did a versus, so we can take this shot, and I'll move it there, and then I'm going to put in another shot there, and then I'm going to add a let's see if we can do versus. Okay, and as you can see, we have something that you can actually play around with, have some fun with. As you can see, it kind of creates a nice instant kind of way to put something together. You can throw some other kind of text on top of that. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. Let's try this. Okay. And then I think I'm going to copy it. And if you want to copy it, I can do that, which I just did. And now I got birds versus birds. I'm going to move this guy's thing a little bit over there. So now you got birds versus birds. Now you're ready to export it. And the way you do that is just by simply hitting the next top right button over, and you can save the picture to your camera roll, and you're now ready to upload that into YouTube. So that's a basic rundown of Thumbnail Maker, guys. I just wanted to do a quick overview of it. We will do another video to kind of go into more specifics of why you would do certain types of thumbnails, but this is a good intro for you to at least download the program, start playing around with it, get comfortable with how it works, and start coming up with some great ideas for thumbnails, which will definitely help you get more clicks on your videos on YouTube. So hope this was helpful, guys. I will see you in the next video. We are going to touch on Intro Maker, and that's coming up on the next one. Again, hit the like and subscribe, guys, so you know when the new videos are coming out. I'm BC, and I will see you in the next video.